So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can link your Bybit to actually withdraw your cat airdrop. So as you can see, I'm actually eligible to actually receive this particular airdrop, but there are a lot of people that doesn't have Get account and they actually want to use their Bybit account to actually withdraw your cat airdrop. So this tutorial is for you guys. So you are going to click on your airdrop over here. As you can see, I'm currently eligible to actually receive this particular airdrop. So I'm going to change it, like I'm going to change exchange to actually show you exactly how you can do that. It's very simple. So you are going to click on exchange over here, then click continue, then you are going to choose Bybit from the option, then send here, click on send here. So you are going to click on I have Bybit account, click on I have Bybit account. So you are going to need three important things, which is the UID number, the cat deposit address, and the memo. So this is where most people have been having a lot of issue. So because Bybit has not added cat, but just right now the cat has been actually activated on Bybit. So for you to actually get your cat deposit address, okay, let's first copy our UID number. So if you want to copy your UID number, you are going to click on your profile over here, click on your profile. As you can see, you are going to copy your UID number, then come over to cat. You're actually going to paste your UID number over here. So the next thing is to get your cat deposit address. Then we are going to go over to your Bybit, then go back completely, then click on this asset over here. Then you are going to click on deposit, then click on deposit crypto. What you are going to do is to actually search for cat inside this search bar. You are going to search for cat inside this search bar. So as you can see, this is cat. They actually added it recently. So if you are adding your ton is not actually allowed on this platform. So you are going to choose cat. So choose cat over here, and you are going to choose ton network because it is being run by ton network. Choose ton network. Then you are going to copy your wallet address. So I'm going to actually confirm this, then copy my wallet address, then come over to this exchange, like come over to this Telegram bot, then paste my wallet address over here. So the next thing that is very important, like very important for you to receive your cat airdrop inside your Bybit account, is to actually copy your memo. So this is your memo. You can actually copy it, which is also known as tag. Copy it, then come over to the Telegram bot, then you're going to paste it over here, then click on send, and they are going to actually link this particular Bybit account to cat airdrop so that whenever it is being listed, you are going to receive your cat airdrop for you to convert it to exchange. So as you can see, I've successfully linked my Bybit account to cat. So whenever it is being listed, I'm going to actually get my airdrop inside my Bybit account. So if you actually want to do P2P to actually convert your cat to USDT, so I'm going to make a video for you. So ensure you actually subscribe to this YouTube channel so that I'm going to show you simple tutorial about all this airdrop and crypto in general. Thanks for watching today's video. Ensure you subscribe so that I'll be able to do more video like this. I will see you in my next video. Bye.